Welcome to this video, which is titled Repairing Our Brokenness. If you deeply examine our own lives, in each of our lives, we have gone through a stage of brokenness where we feel that what was holding us together to have a very normal, happy life suddenly disappears. And we feel disconnected, disoriented, disjointed. Now, this is part of the process of life. But many a time what happens psychologically, we are drawn down into the depth of or the abyss of despair. We feel that we have lost something very precious in our brokenness. No, the Japanese have come out with a beautiful concept called kintsugi. Kintsugi is the Japanese art of repairing broken pottery. If a bowl is broken, rather than discarding the pieces, the fragments are put together back with a glue like tree sap and cracks are decorated with gold. You can see the image following this particular part of the video. There are no attempts to hide the damage, instead it is highlighted. The practice has come to represent the idea that beauty can be found in imperfection. The breakage is an opportunity, and applying this kind of thinking to instances of failure in our own lives can be helpful. Ashikaga Yoshimitsu, 1358 to 1408, was a shogun emperor of Japan, and it is said that he broke his very favorite tea bowl. The bowl was very unique and could not be replaced. So he sent it to China, had it put together with staples. He was not very happy. The final product did not satisfy him. He requested his artisans, who repaired it by putting fragments back together with a glue like tree sap, and the cracks were adorned with gold. This is called kintsugi. The Japanese have come out through their own deep reflection with many concepts like wabi-sabi, and imperfection was part of life. So they understood that how to take it positively in our own mind. Any imperfection that we come across in our own lives is very vital. This is the thought I wanted to share with you on this short video. Thank you for watching and listening, and have a great life.